Now another integral that we are having, we evaluate this integral, square root of ax plus b. Again, the substitution is because under root whatever the value is or under square whatever the value is, you have to take that value to be equals to t, right? So put the value of ax plus b to be equals to t. So we'll try to differentiate this one. So differentiate this one, a into, now x, when you're writing derivative of x, you just write it as dx. Plus b is a constant, constant derivative will be 0, is equals to derivative of t will be dt. But you don't have a into dx, you have only dx, therefore you have to get dx there. So you can rewrite this as a into dx, you can ignore that 0 and write it as dt. Or dx will be equals to, cross multiply, you'll be getting 1 by a into dt. This value you can substitute back in the given integral. Therefore, we'll be getting I is equals to, it is integral of root under root ax plus b value is t. Dx value is 1 by a into dt. But 1 by a is a constant. You can remove that 1 by a outside and write down integral of root t into dt. Right? Now the question is, what will be integral of root t? It is better you try to remember the integral of root t directly. But here, because we are dealing with the root for the first time, I'll be showing the entire procedure. So root always represents to the power of half. Root represents to the power of half into dt. And we know this formula, integral of x power of n into dx will be equals to x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus the constant c. So in this case, also you can write 1 by a as it is, t power of n value is half. So we'll be writing half plus 1 divided by half plus 1 plus the constant of integration c. Or further, if you try to simplify this one, it is 1 by a, t power of half plus 1 will give you 3 by 2. Denominator also 3 by 2 plus the constant c. Or further, if I try to simplify 1 by a, 3 by 2 in the denominator, if I take in the numerator, it becomes 2 by 3. And this t power of 3 by 2 will remain as it is. But what is the value of t I had taken? T value I had taken as ax plus b. So plug in that value back there as ax plus b. So this t will be ax plus b to the power of what? To the power of 3 by 2. And here this 2 times of 1 will be 2 divided by 3 into a will be 3a plus the constant of integration c. So that will be the required solution.